Humans have always been creators, changers. We're always trying to go further, cross barriers. It has taken us to mountaintops and the seafloor, and even to leaving footsteps on the moon. This is all because we know that we're limited only by our imagination. In the 21st century, we're reaching for even more: the creation of artificial intelligence, bionics, and social media, to name just a few milestones. At Sinterit, we go forward. 3D printing completely changed modern thinking about product development. However, the most advanced technology, selective laser sintering, was reserved only for the largest companies. In 2014, Sinterit introduced Lisa, the first and most affordable desktop 3D printer of all time. It started a completely new era, where SLS was finally available to a full range of industries. Now we are going one step further. Thanks to many talks with our clients and in response to market needs, we proudly introduce Sinterit Lisa 2. It is larger than the first model, which makes it possible to print more significant parts in one piece. Thanks to a nitrogen chamber, you can experiment with a vast number of materials, which truly makes it a game changer. Plenty of hardware enhancements have resulted in even more reliable printing and software changes, facilitating all processes. Powerful SLS prints at an affordable price, simplicity, and the ability to use multiple materials are all important benefits of Sinterit Lisa 2. Owning a 3D printer that works in an SLS environment opens the door to vast opportunities. It empowers creation. Thanks to the short and effortless production process, you can spend more time on inspiration and concept planning. With Sinterit's end-to-end system, you can make your model functional just after rapid post-production. Having the characteristics of SLS, the prints are excellent for industrial applications. Durable and movable parts with a wide range of materials to use. Its high accuracy and mechanical strength makes it perfect for functional testing and detailed objects. One of our goals is to give you a tool that will enhance your creativity right there in your office or lab. It is up to the designer's imagination as to how to make the most of it. No one should tell you what to do or how to do it. Thanks to Sinterit, you can now reach for powerful prints from SLS technology simply on your benchtop. We empower your creation. You do the rest. Sinterit. Go forward.